Welcome to Mickleham Road in the north of Melbourne, where we're continuing our innovative use of concrete made with calcined clay. So what is calcined clay? Well, calcined clay, and I've got some here, is clay that's been heated to over 650 degrees Celsius. And in doing so, it's become super reactive and it can help bind together the components of the concrete you can see being poured behind me. So why are we doing that? Well, normally we would use cement to bind together the concrete, and cement has a very high carbon footprint. In fact, it counts for around 8% of worldwide greenhouse gas emissions. One of the ways we can reduce the carbon footprint of our concrete, therefore, is by using less cement. But of course, cement is what gives the concrete its strength and durability, and that's where the calcined clays come in. The calcined clay being used in this concrete behind me has around half the carbon footprint of regular cement. So by replacing some of the cement with the calcined clay, we're able to reduce the carbon footprint of our concrete while maintaining its strength and durability. So bringing this concrete to market has been a huge collaboration. We've had to work with our delivery partner BMD, but also our designer Arup, University of Melbourne, as well as our concrete supplier Hansen, now known as Heidelberg Materials. And must not forget the returned asset owner, the Department of Transport and Planning, who've supported this project throughout its entirety and have given us approval to use this mix in their asset. So I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about this innovative concrete. If you'd like to find out more, please jump onto the Big Build website and look up the Mickleham Road project, where you find more information. Thanks for watching.